So we're really proud to be here at AirVenture 2022, here at EAA in Oshkosh, Wisconsin with the RV-15 prototype aircraft. So this is an engineering tool. It's an airplane that first flew just over a month ago, or right around a month ago. And our engineering team is using it to learn, and they've developed this airplane. We're really excited to have it here. Really cool airplane. It's our first high wing airplane. It's a beast. It's got 220 horsepower about on the nose. It's got a great big Hartzell prop on it. It's performing really, really well. We were able to expand the envelope enough to be able, in our test plan, to be able to bring the airplane here to AirVenture. The different missions for this airplane. Maybe you want to go and you want to fly it and you want to stick it out on a gravel bar somewhere and go fishing. That's what I want to do with it. Maybe you want to fly to Idaho, landing on grass strips. Obviously it can do that. The point is we want to be able to offer a variety of mission options for this airplane. It's an airplane that we're excited, I think people are excited about, because they'll be able to do what they want to do with it and go and have fun and do some really, really cool stuff that maybe you wouldn't do with one of our other airplanes. It's a net new design. So we didn't take the wing off another RV and slap it onto a tail cone from some other one. The only thing really that's kind of common with another RV is, just for this test configuration, is the firewall forward. It's quite similar to an RV-14 or 14A. Basically every piece of metal in this airplane was built by us in-house, and it's all new stuff. There's a lot of new features available on this airplane that really don't apply to the other ones. Our job and our goal and our mission really in building kits for people is to make it possible for people to build their own airplane in their garage or in their shop. And the more refined the kit parts are and the better the instructions are and whatnot, the more success people have in doing that consistently and building a really great performing, really, really safe and fun to fly airplane. We get a lot of questions. One of the questions we get, of course, is when can I buy this thing? Can I put down a deposit? We're not taking money for it yet. We're not taking deposits. The answer to that is when it's ready. That's when we'll do it. We are guesstimating at this point somewhere in the order of probably 12 to 18 months before we're able to have the first kit ready. And so give people at least a general time frame that they can think about in terms of when, whether that's the tail kit or the wing kit, we don't even know yet. Maybe they give you a general idea as to when somebody might be able to start thinking about getting their hands on this and start building it. Right now is the time, right? So we're not just going to go and build some airplane just to try to capitalize on things. We're going to build the right airplane at the right time. We're at the point now where we have enough real knowledge and understanding of exactly where we're at. Confidence in the design, confidence in the initial test phase, to where we can come here and we can say, this airplane, it doesn't look exactly the way that it's going to look when it's done, but it's pretty close. We flew it here, we'll fly it back, we'll do more tests. The reception, the number of people, and also just the feedback that we were getting, talking to people and listening to people as they walked around the airplane and saw it. It was heartwarming for me. For me, standing back a little bit and watching all the other guys wearing the same shirts that were up there getting that experience, I mean, that was really, really cool.